one thing that's always giving us difficulty in progressing, in being successful in healthcare is capital investment. Healthcare requires massive investment, capital-wise, for it to really be successful in terms of purchasing equipment, construction of really world-class healthcare facilities, and being able to retain and attract and retain really good medical professionals, especially specialists. So that kind of modeling is what I was looking for, and with XSML, I'm glad that I was able to achieve that. They have really worked well with us to be able to set up a world-class company, really, that is really providing innovative solutions in healthcare in Uganda. I want to set up businesses that outlive me, that are beyond me, things that are self-sustaining. I usually call them briefcase businesses. As entrepreneurs here in Uganda, we are briefcase business people. So right from the start, my vision was to have something where I can have great partners. So I set up from the beginning to make sure that in case someone comes in and they want to invest more with me, there's clarity. For example, setting up systems of how we're seeing our patients, our records, and most especially having clear financial management systems. You can't really survive alone, and that's usually the mentality we have in Uganda, where someone feels that everything is going to depend on them. So once you open up your mind to understand that if you have partners, you're able to grow and achieve your dreams further, then definitely it's much better having those partners. So patient capital is more than just capital. With XSML, I was able to get much more. I have partners because they are shareholders in the business. They come on board and we partner. They do a lot of financial advice. They're able to open up your mind. They're able to help and guide you to hire right, to get a right chief finance officer, to get right auditors, to give you great advice on tax management. The funders are actually available. Equity funders have been there. They really come into Africa, in East Africa. They're available. You can be able to find them really, and sometimes they look for you, sometimes through referrals, to try to find the right partners as well. You take your history, you search about the patient capital partner you want to bring in, which companies have they invested in. You ask those people in those businesses, how is it? Have they helped you? How has it worked for you so far? So if you get that information, then you empower yourself with the knowledge, and then you can discuss with them. Most of them are always willing to listen to businesses. Well, this webinar is the first of its kind for me as a medical entrepreneur. It's going to be the first time that I'm really sharing my experiences in terms of raising capital for the business. It's going to be really exciting to learn a lot from other investors, capital markets authority. It's going to really broaden my knowledge about capital markets basically. So I'm really looking forward to it, and it's something that I would love to learn from, as I also share my experiences in the healthcare field.